Welcome to the course Information System Strategy. This is the first lecture of this course. It addresses the role of Chief Information Officers in organizations. This lecture tries to answer the problem raised in Chapter 1 of the textbook. In this chapter, Jim Barton, a successful business manager with no background in information technology, is offered the role of CIO by the new CEO. He wonders what a CIO does and what responsibilities a CIO holds. My answer is that the main role of a CIO is aligning IT with business. I use several highly cited information system journal papers and books to describe IT business alignment. At the end of this lecture, you can describe business strategy, IT strategy, business operation, and IT operation. You learn that IT business alignment is aligning these four dimensions. You can describe these various alignment types and categorize a CIO's challenge under one of these alignment types. As I just mentioned, based on some journal papers, the main role of a CIO is aligning business and IT, or simply put, alignment. SAM is a model suggested by Henderson and Venkatraman that describes what alignment is. To understand alignment, you need to know four components of a company: business strategy, business operation, and IT operation. Business strategy is a long-term plan of actions for business. IT strategy is a long-term plan of actions for information technology. Business operation is the way the business is operated. And IT operation is the way the information systems and technologies are operated in an organization. CIOs are in charge of ensuring the alignment between the three components. They need to make sure that business strategy and IT strategy are aligned. That is, long-term plans, priorities, and objectives of business and IT fit each other. Moreover, CIOs need to ensure that business and IT operations are aligned. That is, the way IT infrastructure, assets, and processes are designed and operated fit the way other organizational infrastructure, assets, and processes are designed and operated. Furthermore, CIOs are in charge of ensuring that IT operations follow the IT strategy, the desired state of information technology in future. Note that the key to learn the materials taught in this class is to try to personalize them. Take a look at this example. Let's assume that your long-term objective is to become a CEO of a $100 million shipping company in your early 40s. Your way to achieve this goal is to change your daily life. You add one shipping company staff to your network every week. You apply for an internship at a consulting company, and you will look for a consultant to marry. Let's see how you need to change your IT life and long-term IT objectives in an alignment-friendly manner. You need to change your IT life and IT skills. You'll start using LinkedIn 30 minutes per day. You will buy a $700 laptop. You learn how to use Jira, a project management application, and you try to join dating sites for professionals rather than spending time on Tinder. Regarding your long-term IT objectives, you create a network around yourself that includes 5 top IT practitioners, 5 top CIOs in the Netherlands. You also get 2 IT management certificates. That's how you try to make SAM work for your life. In the next videos of this lecture, first I describe 4 components of SAM one by one. This provides the opportunity to give you the prerequisite knowledge you need to be able to understand the textbook as well as the next lectures. Then I describe the 3 alignment types CIOs are in charge of.